Here I have Realme 9 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, tap here, go to its settings, go to the watermark, enable watermark, and here you can add custom text. But there's like character limit of only 10 characters, but it could be this one. And now every photo you take will be marked with your custom text, like this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.